Disney World is a big, complicated place. Are you currently planning on going anytime soon to this magical place? If you are, you may be going through some anxiety. We're here to help. Welcome to your complete step-by-step guide for planning a successful trip to Disney's Magic Kingdom at the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, and it's going to be rapid fire, so get the notebooks out. Planning begins at home well before you ever arrive in Florida. The first step is choosing your travel dates. That could be hard enough, especially if you are traveling with multiple people. You know how it is. Jim wants to go in the summer, but Bob wants to go in the fall when the weather isn't turning people into lobsters. Getting on the same page is enough of a hassle. Crowd levels matter greatly at Magic Kingdom, so targeting late January through early February, late August through September, or early May can mean shorter wait times and lower costs. Avoid major holidays, spring break weeks, and summer weekends if possible. Once dates are selected, purchase park tickets directly through Disney's official website or app, deciding whether you want single-day tickets or multi-day tickets. If your trip includes multiple parks, consider a park hopper option. But if Magic Kingdom is your main focus, dedicating a full day or more to this park alone is highly recommended. Next comes lodging. Staying at a Disney resort hotel provides valuable benefits, including early theme park entry, complimentary transportation, and immersive theming. Value resorts offer affordability, moderate resorts balance comfort and price, and deluxe resorts provide proximity and luxury. Off-property hotels may be cheaper but require planning for transportation and parking. Once lodging is secured, download the My Disney Experience app. This app becomes your command center for tickets, dining, ride planning, maps, show times, wait times, and mobile food ordering. Ever thought about eating dinner while a giant mouse is just casually walking around? Well, that's a thing here. Dining is the next major planning phase. Reservations for table service restaurants open 60 days in advance, and popular locations fill quickly. Decide whether you want character dining, quick service meals, or sit-down experiences. Plan meals strategically around low ride wait times. Mobile ordering through the app saves significant time and is highly recommended. If you want iconic snacks like churros, Dole Whip, or Mickey pretzels, note their locations ahead of time. About 1 week before departure, finalize your packing strategy. Comfortable walking shoes are essential as guests often walk 8 to 10 miles per day. Pack lightweight, breathable clothing, ponchos for sudden rain, sunscreen, portable phone chargers, refillable water bottles, and a small backpack. If traveling with children, prepare snacks, autograph books, strollers if needed, and cooling towels during warm months. Ensure all tickets and hotel reservations are linked inside the app before travel day. On travel day, arrive in Orlando early if possible and check into your hotel. Even if your room is not ready, Disney allows early arrival so you can explore or head straight to the park. The night before your Magic Kingdom day, review park hours, parade times, fireworks schedules, and ride closures in the app. Decide your must-do attractions and rank them by priority. Set alarms early because mornings are crucial. On park day, arrive at Magic Kingdom at least 45 minutes before official opening or earlier if you qualify for early entry. This strategy allows you to experience popular attractions with minimal waits. Upon entry, avoid stopping for photos initially and head straight to your top ride. High priority attractions typically include Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Peter Pan's Flight, Space Mountain, and Jungle Cruise when it features seasonal overlays. Move through the park using a smart land-by-land approach. Begin in Fantasyland or Tomorrowland early, then transition to Adventureland and Frontierland as crowds shift. Use the app to monitor wait times and adjust on the fly. Schedule indoor rides during peak afternoon heat and save outdoor attractions for early morning or evening. Take short breaks instead of pushing nonstop to avoid burnout, especially with children. Midday is the best time for shows, parades, and meals. Attractions attractions like Hall of Presidents, Carousel of Progress, PhilharMagic, and indoor theaters provide air conditioning and rest. Use mobile ordering for lunch during off-peak times to avoid long lines. Hydration is critical, so refill water bottles at quick service locations offering free ice water. As evening approaches, crowds often shift toward dinner and fireworks preparation. This is an excellent time to revisit rides with reduced waits. Take advantage of golden hour lighting for photos around Cinderella Castle and Main Street. If fireworks are a priority, secure a viewing spot 30 to 45 minutes early, or choose a dining package with reserved viewing if available. End your night with fireworks and nighttime rides. Attractions like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, T-Ron, Light Cycle Run, and Space Mountain feel entirely different after dark. After fireworks, many guests exit the park, creating one last window for low wait times. Shop on Main Street USA at the end of the night since stores remain open after park closing. Finally, return to your hotel using Disney transportation or parking trams. Reflect on what worked well and what you would adjust for future visits. Planning, flexibility, and pacing are the keys to a successful Magic Kingdom experience. When done right, the day feels magical instead of overwhelming, leaving you with memories that last a lifetime. Magic Kingdom and a lot of the other parks are dealing with a lot of construction as they add and upgrade their attractions. But if that doesn't bother you, go for it. For now, if this content was a help to you in your planning process, consider liking this video. Subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, vlogs, and more. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, if you have any additional tips, leave them in the comments below. Let's help each other enjoy what the world has to offer. Until next time, don't forget to ignite the spirit of adventure. Peace.